morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas weekend, spending it with your family and friends. You've survived the holidays, and now all we have to do is make it to the new year to be able to have a fresh start. I'm sure everyone is looking forward to that. I know I am. It's definitely been one tough year. However, we have so much to look forward to. We have so much to do and so much change coming our way for the Savage family. So we cannot wait to share the news with you guys and so much more going into the new year. When the time is right, we'll be sure to let y'all know. As of today, we'll be cleaning my living room, dusting, organizing, and putting everything back together. So if y'all are ready to tackle this mess with me, let's get started.
Oh, you know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, Don't you know? You know you're beautiful, I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, Don't you know? You know you're beautiful, I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
For those who are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here joining us on our clean. If you enjoy cleaning, makeovers, organization, transformations, DIYs, and farm animals, then you're in the right place. So be sure to stick around, subscribe, and stay tuned for all of the weekly videos we'll have scheduled for you, because we have so much to share with you guys.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down.
So it's 2 days after Christmas, and who still has all of their Christmas decorations up like I do? Or are you starting to take them down as you're cleaning along with me? I honestly plan on keeping mine up to the end of the year. I just want to enjoy it a little more since I took it down early last year. However, if my anxiety gets to me first, making me feel cluttered, then I'll immediately take it down. Which can happen because everything else is so clean and organized, and then you have all of this bulky stuff in the way, out of place, and then you're just like, I'm ready for a change. Now, just talking about it just makes me want to take it all down, be done with it, and move on. Decisions.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy we go.
Now that Christmas is over, and I hope it was a good one for you guys, what are your plans for the new year? I guess at this point, whatever plans it is, you hope that it's better than 2020. Am I right? 2020 had some serious ups and downs and took a toll on everyone this year. Hopefully after the holidays, heading into the new year, it can be smooth sailing and not have it play any tricks on us. I'm looking forward to all of the new changes that's going to happen within our family, as I mentioned earlier. Some of it is set in stone, but not enough yet for me to disclose to you guys. If I do and you follow me on Instagram, I'll be sure to post it there first, then I'll come back on here and talk about it with you guys. So if you're not already, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mrs. Jessica Savage. We'd be glad to have each and every one of you and share our journey and the farm life. We have ducks, goats, and now we have chickens, you guys. So excited. Lots of interesting stuff you can follow, especially on our daily Insta stories. So again, follow us there so we connect with each and every one of you.
A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond old. Dreamy, breezy we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond old. When someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter and everything's nothing but a game. Just know that I'm with you. Just know that I'm with you through it all. And I'm gonna be there whenever you win or if you fall. I know that we will make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Hey, don't you worry. Hey, don't you worry about a thing. You get what you're given, but it's never too late to spread your wings.
You guys, I'm done. I'm truly done with these gray pillows that I pulled off of my couch. The down feathers keep coming out of this specific fabric case, falling onto the floor, sticking through the fabric where it can poke you, and it ends up clinging itself all over the couch. It drives me crazy, and I believe that's the most work, is pulling and vacuuming up these feathers constantly. So it looks like I'll have to make a trip back to Home Goods and look for that specific pillow material that I have on my bed in my master bedroom. Those are wonderful, and I purchased them from Home Goods as well. With that being said, when I head back to Home Goods, what colored pillow should I have on our couch? I need a total of 4 and may get 1 decorative pillow. I was thinking a very light blush pink and a very light teal for the couch. What do you think? Trying to stick with the farmhouse theme and nothing too bright. Let me know in the comments below.
Been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start.
I just wanna hold you one last time. Hold you like we're fine, though it's over, almost over. Yeah, the final chapter's starting to end, closing every page one by one. Soon you're out the door, then you're gone. Are you really happy alone? But you say nothing at all.
You see what I mean? Here I am picking up the rest of the feathers off of this couch and really having to push down a little harder than usual to get them off. This couch is easy to clean, but with those kind of down feathers in the pillows, it really can hold onto the microfiber cloth on this couch. Drives me insane with the amount of feathers that comes out on a daily basis. We can have some on the side and the cracks. I guarantee if you move this couch, there will be lots of down feathers underneath it. I guess I better get under there after my Dyson is done charging, which will be after I finish this video because it's the only vacuum that could fit under this couch. One last question though. What is the one thing that you hate in your living room that you know you have to get rid of because it's causing you the same issue over and over? And with that, what is the one item in your living room that you're constantly cleaning? Again, mine is the couch and living room rug due to my feathers escaping from my pillows.
Almost over, yeah, the final chapter's starting to
Thank you for joining me on this clean with me, you guys. Sorry that I couldn't give you some more cleaning motivation. Chris ended up coming home early and we had to get a few things done with the time crunch we were on. But some motivation was better than none, right? You guys, thank you so much for being here, watching and supporting our channel. It means so much to me. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, head over to our Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and give us a follow there too. We'd be glad to have you guys and to get to know each and every one of you. So I guess I will see you again right back here with a brand new video. Bye, you guys.